Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my Arabic tutorial, and this is the first lesson. So in this lesson we will start with the very simple sentences using the word hada. Hada means this. Okay, so we'll start with the first lesson over here. So the first statement is Ma hada is a question. Ma means what, hada means this. So it means in English, what is this? Ma hada, what is this? Ma hada, what is this? And then we'll move to the second statement. Hada kitabun. Hada means this, kitabun means book. So it means this is a book. Hada kitabun, this is a book. Hada kitabun, this is a book. Ahada baytun. Ahada is a question, like in English we will say, is this something? So ahada baytun. Ahada baytun, is this a house? Na'am. Na'am in English means yes. Hada baytun, yes, this is a house. La, hada masjid. La means no. Na'am means yes. La means no. Hada masjidun, this is a mosque. Man hada. Man means who. Man hada, it means who is this. So this is a small note over here. Hada is actually pronounced as full ha, alif, dal, zal, ha, da. But since alif is missing, so we'll still be pronounced as ha, da. Okay, so this is the house we studied. Hada baytun, and for questioning any for any question we use a hada. We use alif at the front of hada to make it is this, and then the noun or anything. Hada baytun, which means this is a house. So here is the vocabulary which we will be needing to learn Arabic. Vocabulary is very important when it comes to learning Arabic language. So we'll start. Waladun. Waladun means boy. Waladun. Waladun means boy. Waladun. Waladun means boy. Baytun. Baytun means house. Baytun. Baytun means house. Baytun. Baytun means house. Then we have talibun. Talibun means student. Talibun. Talibun means student. Talibun. Talibun means student. Masjidun. Masjidun means mosque. Masjidun. Masjidun means mosque. Masjidun. Masjidun means mosque. Rajalun. Rajalun means man. Rajalun. Rajalun means man. Rajalun. Rajalun means man. Babun. Babun means door. Babun. Babun means door. Babun. Babun means door. Tajirun. Tajirun means merchant. Tajirun. Tajirun means merchant. Kitabun. Kitabun means book. Kitabun. Kitabun means book. Qalbun. Qalbun means dog. Qalbun. Qalbun means dog. Qalamun. Qalamun means pen. Qalamun. Qalamun means pen. Kittun. Kittun. Kittun means cat. Kittun. Kittun means cat. Miftahun. Miftahun means key. Miftahun. Miftahun means key. Himarun. Himarun means donkey. Himarun. Himarun means donkey. Makhtabun. Makhtabun means a writing table. Makhtabun. Makhtabun means a writing table. Hisanun. Hisanun means horse. Hisanun. Hisanun means horse. Sarirun. Sarirun means bed. Sarirun. Sarirun means bed. Jamalun. Jamalun means camel. Jamalun. Jamalun means camel. Kursiyun. Kursiyun means chair. kursiyun. Kursiyun means chair. Dikun. Dikun means rooster. Dikun means rooster. Najamun. Najamun means star. Najamun means star. Mudarrasun means teacher. Mudarrasun means teacher. Kamisun means shirt. Kamisun means shirt. Mindilun means handkerchief. Mindilun means handkerchief. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun means doctor. So this is the first vocabulary in our Arabic lessons. So we have learned a couple of Arabic words, and this will help in the follow-up tutorials to be able to understand these Arabic statements, and will help you in conversing in Arabic. These words can be very useful. So we studied in this lesson. To recap, we studied hada. Hada is actually a word which means this in English. So we can use hada baytun, hada masjid we can use hada baytun, hada means to say something, a small statement. This is a boy, this is a man, this is a merchant, and stuff like that. And we can also ask question with this, for like, is this a house, is this a masjid, using ahada masjidun, ahada baytun. So we studied this in this first video. We'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.